Okay, welcome back. I'm actually looking at the problem a little bit more in depth on the motherboard. I took it out of my laptop computer here, and as you can see on the motherboard, and I've already identified the problem integrated circuit here. If I can get that in focus. Why is that not focusing? How do I focus it? Focus. Okay, now it's coming to focus. How does it pull it away? It's this integrated chip right here, circuit right here, and it's N50013B LF140 4D. Sorry. So how I discovered that with this voltmeter here. I'll put that right here. Gosh, everything's out of focus here. So arrange that. Not sure. Turn this off. There we go. Perfecto. So we're gonna test that integrated circuit that I was pointing out earlier right here, and I'll show you this one right here compared to that. So all I'm doing is hooking up my electrode to one end. I'm going to do the good one first. So I can do this here. Come on. Oh, is that one dead? Oh, duh, I have it off. Turn it on, first of all, would work. Okay, now it should work. I had it off. So, okay, now we're seeing some readings on the good integrated circuit here. That's the good one. Okay. And that's the same one, but the bad one. And as you see, not getting any readings along that circuit here. And let's do the other side. Reverse polarity here. Nothing. So that's the bad one. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Now I gotta take that and unsolder that, and that's what I'll have to do next. Thanks for watching.